The Tecno Pop 5P is a slight upgrade from the Tecno Pop 5 launched some months ago. I think the P in the Pop 5P stands for Pro, but they weren't convinced if this phone deserves the title Pro. Nonetheless, the Pop 5P or Pro is here to solve some problems the Pop 5 has. And one of the major shortcomings of the Tecno Pop 5, even though it's an entry-level budget device, is the lack of 4G connectivity. The Tecno Pop 5P is no better. It still comes with only 3G connectivity, but it fixes the battery problem that most Pop 5 buyers complained of by upgrading the battery to a 5000 mAh battery coming from the 4000 mAh on the Pop 5. The Pop 5P also has 2 times more RAM and storage capacity than the Pop 5. This phone is up for grabs for 48,000 Nairas or $95, which in my opinion packs incredible value if not for the volatility of Nigerian money. What's up guys, it's Victor here again. Please subscribe and ring the bell to be notified every time I post a new video like this one. Opening the box, we have the phone, a screen protecting film, a hard plastic cover case, a 12+1 month warranty card, a micro USB cable, a 5W charger, and a pair of earphones which I really think should have been black. The Tecno Pop 5P phone is made of polycarbonate material and it feels more sturdy than the Pop 5. It comes in 2 colors, rose gold and Atta black colors. This is the Atta black color. At the top of the device is the headphone jack, at the right are the volume rockers and power button, at the bottom edge are the 2.0 micro USB port for charging and file transfer and the microphone. There is nothing on the left edge. On the back is the down-firing speaker as expected. You also see a fingerprint sensor and a camera mount housing a 5 megapixel main sensor, a second unknown camera, and an LED flashlight. To get the SIM and memory card slots, you need to remove the back cover. Here you also find the unremovable 5000 mAh battery sitting like the boss. On the front is a 6.52 inches HD Plus IPS display with 720 pixels by 1600 pixels with a water drop style notch containing an 8 megapixel selfie camera. On the inside, the new Tecno Pop 5P is powered by a quad-core Unisoc processor running at 1.3 GHz along with 2 gigs of RAM and 32 gigs of internal storage. Performance is what you would expect from an entry-level device. It takes time to respond to clicks, it's usable and can get basic tasks done. The software here is Android 11 Go edition and you get most of the quick settings toggle you get on Android 11 devices. The Tecno Pop 5P doesn't have 4G connectivity. It stops at 3G, which is a bummer and a bit of a disappointment. The camera is what you'd expect from a sub $100 device. This is how it looks and sounds. Alright guys, this is the selfie video of the Tecno Pop 5P and it can only go up to 720p, no image stabilization. I'm not expecting, you shouldn't expect image stabilization or any of those high-end camera specs on here because this phone is less than $100 and it's a budget phone. This is for people who need a phone by all means and are not ready to spend much. This is for grandmas in the village, this is for children, this is for people who just need a phone. This is a basic smartphone and the sound you are hearing is what you should expect from a sub $100 phone. Does it pack enough value for $95 or 48,000 Naira? Do let me know in the comment section below and I'll see you in the remaining part of the review. The Tecno Pop 5P has a 5000 mAh battery and a 5W charger out of the box. This is the biggest strength of this device in my opinion and it's no disappointment at all. The battery is enough to last for 3 days depending on your usage pattern. For me, I think this device is a great deal for 48,000 Nairas or $95. Plus you get a vibrant and sharp display, a comfortable and sturdy build, and software with all of the basic modern features you would need on a smartphone like Nearby Share. You shouldn't expect this phone to have some of the flashy specs on trends now, like a 120Hz refresh rate, 140 megapixel camera, 4K AMOLED and all whatnot. That way, this phone will no longer be a budget device. I believe there is a market for those types of specs if you really want them and you're ready to spend about 180k on a smartphone. Please don't judge the Pop 5P for having entry-level spec. It's an entry-level phone. It has to be affordable for people who can't afford the Camon 18. In other words, if you are a power user and you have more to spare on your smartphone, please stay away from the Tecno Pop 5P. This is a smartphone for people who want a functional mobile phone but want to spend a quarter the price of Tecno Camon 18 Pro. If you have any questions about the Tecno Pop 5P that I haven't covered in this video, let me know in the comments and I'll be there to answer as soon as possible. Subscribe if you're not, like and share if this video was helpful. Thank you for watching this one and I'll see you when I see you in the next one. Bye.